Hello students, in this video let's solve question number 5 of exercise 10.2. So यहाँ पे we have to prove that the perpendicular at a point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Okay, so this is like inverse of जो हमने prove किया था कि radius is perpendicular to the tangent. ठीक है, so basically हमें यहाँ पे let's say this is the tangent and this is the circle to which this tangent is drawn. Okay, let's say the tangent is AB and it meets the circle at P. So अब हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि अगर इस टेंजेंट से हम एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो O से ही पास होना चाहिए, कहीं और से पास नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, इफ़ आई ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर टू AB देन इट मस्ट पास फ्रॉम द center O and not from any other point. Okay, so for this we will consider another point of passing and then we will prove that that point is the center. Okay, so we will say let O is the center of the circle and AB is tangent to circle. Okay, we have to prove that P passes through P is perpendicular to AB is which we have drawn and it passes through O. ठीक है, let us assume that perpendicular to the tangent does not pass through O. Okay, does not pass through O. Okay, let's say it passes through O dash. ये जो मैंने dotted line बनाया, let's say it passes through O dash. Okay, it passes through O dash. ठीक है, let's say let me just make it a little clear, ये थोड़ा confusing हो रहा. So this is your center O. Okay, and this is the point O dash. अभी हमने क्या assume किया that the perpendicular passes through O dash. Okay, so now we know that angle O dash PB is 90 degrees because this is what we have assumed. Okay, but we know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. We know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, so this implies that angle OPB should also be 90 degrees, right? After comparing first and second, angle O dash PB is equals to angle OPB, right? Now it is clear from the figure that we have drawn that OPB is greater than O dash PB, right? We from figure angle OPB is greater than angle O dash PB. ठीक है, and both of these simultaneously are not possible. So 3 and 4th are not possible at the same time, right? They can't be equal and unequal at the same time. So but only possible if O and O dash coincides. This implies that O dash is the center of the circle. Okay, hence perpendicular drawn to AB passes through the center. Okay.